You'll never find another vibe like this, no. You'll never find another vibe like this. Post it up, toast it up, hold it up. Smoke another one while I'm rolling up. Looking over here, so bold and tough. But you know what's up, and they know what's up. Never ever look down, only ever chosen up. And I'm too real, you only deal with the negatives. And I'm exposing them, now I done showed enough. Now I got my cars holding them. Never will I fold them up, and I'm bold enough to make the whole world open up. Take the game, then close it up. See, I done sold it up. Them other guys always showing out, but they never showing up when it's going down. Only there when it's going up. I can tell you style when you roll.
Yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it cool down for like 10 minutes. You know, you see what I really need to clean on it. See, it really need to be washed. So I'm gonna be doing the chain lube. Make sure I get all of this inside of here clean, cause this thing is about rusty, man. I took it to the shop one day and they let it sit out in the rain a couple times, man. At the shop, I'm like, no covers. So I'm gonna just lube it up and hopefully I don't need to get a new one. Still riding. But yeah, so we're gonna wait 10 minutes, let this thing cool down and give it a wash. Yeah, so we over here at the speed wash on the east side, right off 94 and Harper. How to drive. You know, a lot of things go down in this area, so you gotta be vigilant. You gotta watch these, man. Around here. Somebody just let it sit for about 10 minutes just so it can cool down. Let the exhaust and stuff cool down for a minute, so that way when you spray it, the water don't, you know, leave watermarks or whatever stains on there. You know. Alrighty, Kawasaki Z650 power wash. Oh yeah, baby, she's washed up now. All right. Now that she washed, baby, it's only time for the chain lube. I'm gonna knock that out real quick before it get too dark. You tuned in with Moto Hondo. Thanks for watching. Peace. All right. So I just washed the Kawasaki Z650. You know, I ain't go too hard. I just gave it a spray down, a quick little scrub. You know, cause I didn't want to do too much to the exhaust. I just wanted to get a lot of the mud off and drive it around. But just enough so I can just take it home, clean the chain, and lube it up. It's good though. Quick little clean up. You know, I got a little water still on it. I just wanted to do enough just to get all that mud from up under it. All right, so we just got back from the bike wash. I use this for preview. And now it's time for a quick chain lube. So what I noticed is it's a chain guard on here, right here. So I'm gonna take this chain guard off. And Kawasaki is gonna be using that good old metric. Well, that's too bad, because I don't got a metric expo set. Screw that on off, man. I ain't about to be telling y'all specs and all of that. Let's get it off. Don't want to lose your boat, so you put stuff somewhere. Best place is a bucket. Still gotta go pick up my tool set, man. That's all. We're gonna hit this junk in the grass so we don't make a mess all in front of the house. First up, you got your chain cleaner. Clean up chain cleaner. Wipe it off the areas where I shouldn't be getting it at. Let it sit on there, say, for 60 seconds. Say about after 60 seconds, you want to clean it off. Let's see if it says spray it off though. We'll use a soft brush to break up and dislodge excess grease. Rinse thoroughly with steady steam water. Okay, so we're gonna use this brush and kind of clean off that chain. Definitely looking clean already. It's officially the chain cleaning brush now. Yeah, I like the way this is working out. Chain looking better already. I'm gonna roll it down one more time and give it one more good scrub.
sit for a minute. We're gonna spray it off. Then you gotta put the PPL on there. Yeah, let's give her another wipe down. Oh yeah, that chain definitely look a whole lot better. I'm gonna take it for one last spin tonight. Yeah, that chain is definitely improved. I like it. That's decent work, boy. Trying to show y'all how we do it. But hey, I guess it's worth the watch. All right, so now you hit it with the Max PPL, MPPL, multi-purpose penetrate lube. Inhibits rust, displaces moisture. Excellent fogging oil, frees corroded parts. The best part about this one is it has a straw that comes on it so you can pinpoint where you wanna hit it at, you know. So let's get that out. There we go. See, it's starting to get dark. Let's hit this chain. Roll her up. Not sure how long that's gonna hold. This is the hard part, because I ain't got my mount. I can't just roll the tire back like I want to. Look at that chain though. And now it's time for the chain wax. The last piece of the puzzle. This is the inside of the chain here. So don't put it on too vigorously. Get the top here. Right up in. Alright, so now I'm just gonna roll it back, which will put this at the bottom. The chain wax. Almost done with the bike. Well, that's that. It says allow 10 to 15 minutes before riding, so that's what I'm finna do. Sloppy job, but doing stuff on the fly in front of the house. Whatever. Alright, so we just put the chain guard back on. They're nice and tight. Chain is clean, so we're gonna take it for its last ride for the night, y'all. It's getting dark out here. See y'all on the road. Oof. Uh-oh. I ain't gonna lie. Off the rip, you feel the different smoothness. Oh yeah. Smooth chain daddies. Oh yeah. Stormcloud, she like that smooth chain. Nice and waxed for her.
city riding, man, something different. Ain't a lot of open terrain, man. You got to be vigilant. Street light, it's the only life I know. Street light. Alright, man, make this bank run and I'll holler at y'all on the next one. Moto Hundo. Oh.